happened in brewing trouble. The winter of 21 brought unprecedented weather with a mighty range. Cold blizzards fraught with blinding snow and freezing rain descended upon the countryside with such terrible might, the likes of which no man had ever seen before, and might never see again. That's chilly. It takes a very special kind of man to venture into this sort of inhospitable environment. But for some men, there is no choice. There are some whose duty is to work and serve, and for others, it is part of the very soul that cries out for adventure. This is a story about two such men. Robert E. Costa, an explorer at heart, longs for new adventures. He has ventured into ruined cities of Central and South America, looking for gold in the Alaskan territories. He was part of a failed expedition of 16, of which he was the only one to survive, fighting for his life every step of the way. Most recently, he went on a small expedition in the Northern Territories with a man who will be accompanying him on this expedition, Alan Dash. To some, Alan might be viewed as a playboy dilettante, but for those that know the man, he is a master of his craft, a playboy and cinematographer. Known for his camera work across the Southwest, he has also worked tirelessly, documenting the mysterious underbelly of this country. A master with a camera, his most dangerous weapon, if you don't count his fist. It's been said once he fought off 20 mobsters with his fists alone. He looks forward to his next adventure with great anticipation. Their perilous journey will take them from their base camp in Bob County's woods, up Utility Pass, across the Missouri Pacific Line, then along Duval Trail, until they reach the final destination. Like all journeys, this too begins with a single step. With the first leg of the journey complete, the two adventurers reach Utility Pass. From here, they trek along old Missouri Pacific Line. There are tales of old West train robberies on the same stretch of track. With the winds howling, you can swear you can hear the passengers screaming. Whew, shivers down my spine. Harsh wilderness offers no quarter. Even on a treacherous height such as this, one can never forget to admire the beauty of nature. With much ground covered, an arduous journey such as this requires some rest. I'd rather be in bed with a beautiful woman. Thick snow and ice can make for slow going. Oh, watch your step. Upon reaching Duval Trail, the two men enjoy their modest provisions. Yum! Save me a piece. Oh, what do we have here? We got a real rockin' ramen here, folks. Tweet, tweet! On a long journey in the frozen wilderness such as this, a simple mistake can have you walking in circles. It is of the utmost importance to trust your compass. Whoa there, fellas! East is that way! Easy mistake, guys. At last, the two daring adventurers have reached their final destination. These two can definitely say the journey was worth it all for an ice-cold beer. Hey fellas, don't forget to share.